Did you know that you could make $4 in less than 30 seconds by just pressing a button? In today's video, I'm going to break down how to do exactly that. But first, I want to let you know about our friends at Anything Money who are running a special $1,000 giveaway on their channel. All you have to do is subscribe to their channel and find a couple of money emojis in their last 10 videos. Whoever finds them first and writes their name under this video will be eligible for a giveaway. Now, back to our video. This money-making strategy is super simple and available for pretty much everyone. You can do this from anywhere in the world, and you don't even need to have any specific knowledge, experience, or skills. All you're gonna need is your device, an internet connection, and the instructions within this video, because I'm gonna be laying everything out step by step so that you don't even have to worry about the hard work. We've done the research for you. So, all you have to do is pay close attention over the next few money-making minutes of this short video, and you'll be raking in the cash. Just before we dive into our method for today though, please be sure to show us some love and appreciation by hitting the thumbs up button down below and subscribing to the channel with notifications turned on, because trust me, you don't want to miss out whenever we upload amazing videos on how to make money online using the best possible methods. Also, please don't hesitate to let us know any thoughts or questions you might have during this video in the comment section below. We love hearing from all of you guys. Now, let's jump straight in. First, go to google.com and search for the keyword twitch.tv. Then hit the search button and you'll see the first link right here, twitch.tv. Click on this link, which will take you to this website, where you can find a variety of videos and channels that you can watch for free. Most of these videos are gaming videos, so we're about to use videos like this one to make a lot of money online. Right now, I want you to click on the Browse button on top, and then you'll be taken to this page where you can browse through different categories or videos that you can watch on this website. From there, you can scroll down and discover all these other categories of different videos that you can watch. I want you to concentrate on this category, which is the Fortnite category, since this one is one of the most popular gaming videos right now. Go ahead and click on this category, which will take you to the Fortnite section, which has over 62 million followers. So many people are interested in watching these videos. When you scroll down, you'll see even more videos that you can watch and earn money from. Now, moving on to the next stage, I want you to go to this website, oke.io. This is the website that we will be using today to watch simple videos like this and learn how to make a lot of money online. Don't worry, this is super simple, and I'll show you exactly how to do this in this video. Take a look at how it works. First, you have to register for a free account on this website. After that, you'll be able to shorten a long URL link. Let's assume I copy this video link. Then return to this page and paste the twitch.tv URL link, then click this button to shorten the URL. This is the shortened link that this website provides. And anytime people click on your shortened link, you'll be paid per click over and over again. And the amount you get paid depends on where the visitor is from. So you'll earn a different amount of money based on what country they're coming from. For example, individuals from Germany can earn $5 when they click on your link, while individuals from the United States can earn $5.10. This is exactly how all of these people from all around the world are able to make money online, sometimes even hundreds of dollars, by simply posting a shortened video link using this website here. Take a look at this. There are currently over 373,000 people that are actively using this website and earning money daily. They can provide you with a variety of payment options such as PayPal, Payza, Skrill, WebMoney, Bitcoin, and bank transfer. Let me show you how to sign up for a free account. All you have to do is click on the Sign Up button on top, and you'll be taken to this page where you can register for a new membership for free, with no investment required. Simply enter your username and email address, confirm your password right here, and click on this I'm Not a Robot and Submit button. After that, you can log into your brand new account. Right here on the statistics page, which is also the home page, you can see how many people have clicked on your link and how much money you can make right here on this website. This is a brand new account and we haven't shortened any links yet, so you can see that we haven't earned any money yet. Now, I'm going to show you some actual examples of how to do this. First and foremost, I want you to return to twitch.tv and look in the Fortnite category for 3 videos. I'll click on this video right here, the first video, the second video, and the third video. I'm going to open up multiple browsers and open up video number 1, video number 2, and video number 3. We're going to go back to the first video, and I want you to go down below and click on the share button, and then copy this video's URL link. Simply click on copy, and then we'll return to our account's dashboard where we'll enter the Twitch TV link into the box. And then I want you to click on shorten. This website will automatically shorten this link into a much shorter link. I'm simply going to copy it right now. And now I want to give you this done for you script right here. This is my Fortnite video post where you can simply copy and paste and use it right away to start making money. I'll give a brief introduction about this game and then say something along the lines of, for more Fortnite videos, click the link below to watch now. This is where we'll paste the shortened links to the 3 videos, and every time someone clicks on your link, you get paid. For example, let's assume I'm going to paste the shortened link under the first video. This is my first URL link, so every time people click on your link, you'll receive a different amount of money depending on which country they're from. For example, if someone from Norway clicks on your link, you'll make $4. Simply repeat the process and return to the second video. Simply click on the share button and copy the long URL link. Click on copy and we'll return to our dashboard to remove this one right here by clicking on delete. And then paste the new URL for the second video right here and click on the shortened button. Once again, the website will automatically shorten the URL into this link right here. And then all I have to do is click the copy button and return to our copy and paste template, where you can put the second link right here on video number 2. We'll go to the third video, scroll down below, and click on the share button once again to copy the video URL link. We'll then go back to the dashboard, delete everything, paste the new third video link, and click on the shortened button. Finally, here is our third video link, which we'll simply copy and paste into the template. And that's all you need to do now. I'm going to give you the full template that you can copy and paste, and by using it, you can finally start generating money right now. As always, I'll give you a bonus tip as a thank you for staying until the end of the video. Now, I want you to go to this site right here, forums.pcgamer.com, which is a very popular and well-known community where people discuss various gaming topics, including Fortnite videos. I like this site since it is completely free and accessible from anywhere in the world. There is a lot of active discussion and people talking about gaming every day. There are over 22,000 messages and over 300 posts under the PC gaming discussion, under general gaming. Let's say I click on this link and it takes me to this page where you can find different posts. Many people are writing very short and very simple posts on this forum, and they're getting a lot of views. There are just so many options right here on this website. Now, when I search for the Fortnite keyword, I can see that there are a lot of people discussing and talking about this topic. And there's a lot of demand in the gaming videos area right now. You can see on Twitch TV that over 62 million people follow Fortnite videos. This forum is a great place to copy and paste and share the exact template with everyone inside the forum. And then you can make money whenever people click on any of your shortened links. That's exactly how all these guys here make money. So that pretty much wraps up today's method of making money online with the click of a button. If you've learned something new today, then be sure to like this video, comment your thoughts down below, and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so that you can be the first to know when we've uploaded another brand new money-making video on how to make more money online. Whether you choose to do these strategies as a side hustle or you choose to jump into it and make it a full-time gig, there's no doubt that you're going to get one step closer to your financial goals. Thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to see you in the next video.